Hello guys, welcome back to Move AutoCAD with AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 32, how to make 3D gallon. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notification for our new tutorials. You also can get this reference image from our site moveautocad.com. Okay, we start now. Open your AutoCAD software and I will use front view. We create line start from this point to the rec 56. Okay, I will zoom, extend, and we create line start from this point to the bottom here 600. Okay, create line again, start from this point to the bottom 7, to the left 1.7, to the bottom here 14, to the right 1.7, to the bottom 18, and to the left here 1.7. Okay, and the last to the bottom 31 and enter. Okay, I will create line start from this point to here, and from this point to the bottom move this line object to the bottom here 28. Okay, I will move this line object to the right 75.4 and create a RC object start from this point with endpoint at this point, radius 137 and enter. Okay, we create a circle with tangent from this point to this point with radius 30 and use a trim command to cut this circle object with this object. Okay, I will select this two line and delete. Use a line command. We create line start from this point to the right here 30 and to the bottom 31. Use a violet command with radius 30. You can select at this corner. Okay, use a line command again. We create line start from this point to the right here 8, to the bottom 45. Go to the left 8 and to the bottom here 85, to the right 8, to the bottom 45, to the left here 8. Okay, and create line start from this point to the bottom here 142 and go to the right 8. The last go to the bottom here 67 and to the left 40 and finish at this point. Okay, I will use a trim command to cut this line object and select this line object, delete. We create line start from this point to the top 10 and create a RC object start from this point with endpoint at this point. Okay, radius 485 and I will select this two line object and delete. Okay, now use a violet command with a radius 25. You can select at this corner. Okay, we violet again with a radius 4. Use a multiple option. Here I will select at this corner. In this corner. Okay, this corner. And I will violet in here with radius 0.6. Okay, use a multiple option. I will select this corner and this corner. Okay, the last in here We file it again with radius 2. Can select at this corner. Okay, I will select this object and select this object, delete. Next, use join command to join this all object. Okay, and I will offset distance 3 and select this object, click insert here. Okay, and we create line, start from this point to the top here, and then we create line, start from this point to the top. Use a trim command to cut this line object, and we join again this all object into polyline object. Okay, now we convert this 2D object into 3D model by using a revolve command. You can tap revolve, enter, select this object. Okay, start from this point to the top with 360 degree. Okay, and we got this object. Okay, I will move this object to this point. Okay, move again to the bottom here and change into top view. I will create a camera, start up from this point to here, target, exit, and I will create a plane surf object, start from this point to this point, change into left view. Okay, and then I will change into camera 1, change into realistic view. We can use orbit command to rotate the drawing. Okay, this is the result. Change phase trees into 10 point to look more smooth, and I will press F7 to hide the grid. Okay, now I will apply material into this object. You can tap AirMat to open material browser. I use plastic material here, and I will choose for this material blue latex. Okay, I will select this object, right click and assign to selection. Now you can click this material twice and we edit this material. I will change colors into this point. Okay, and glassiness I will increase into this point. Reflectivity 6. Okay, transparency move into here, and bump I will uncheck bump. Use thin colors. I will select this color. Okay, move into this point. Okay, and close material browser and active full shadow. Okay, next for render use height. Environment, I will active environment and use background solid into white here color. Okay, and close, and we start to rendering this object. But first I will duplicate this object. You can change into 2D wireframe and change into left view. I will rotate this object, start from this point. You can tap C to copy. Okay, I will click in here, and then I will change into top view. Move this object, start from this point to this point, and rotate again this object from this point, okay, to this point. I will move again this object to here. Okay, now change into camera 1 view and change into realistic. You can orbit this drawing to get the best view for rendering. Okay, I think it's enough. Active full shadow and then active environment here. Close, and we start to rendering this object. Waiting for interlodging, and we waiting for a rendering process until finish. It's about 10 level. Okay, we finished the rendering process, and I think it's enough today for AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 32, how to make 3D gallon. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 33.